Hey everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. Welcome to Shop Talk. I'm here with my best friend Robert.
And I'm here with my best friend Keith.
And I am excited today because we're going to talk about something that is absolutely near and dear to my heart.
Mine too.
Yeah, Raspberry Pi. So let's get into it. Where's the pie?
I think you might be a little disappointed.
I better not be disappointed.
Well, when I was talking about a Raspberry Pi, I was talking about something that I love.
Oh, jeez.
It's a computer.
All right, that's fine. No, go ahead. I'll just sit here.
You okay?
No, I'm not okay.
I like Raspberry Pi too.
Not as much as I do, but yeah, okay. Tell us, what is this?
I am terribly sorry that I just pointed you.
The sincerity is just dripping here.
Okay, the sarcasm? Okay, good.
A little bit.
All right, so what is a Raspberry Pi? See, it's one of those. That's their logo.
Okay,
so it's really a small computer.
Yes.
Right? It has some input outputs in there that you can actually, connect to like sensors and stuff, so you can turn on lights and those kind of things. However, we're not going to use it for that. You can program it. It runs a Linux operating system, and we are just going to use it basically as a computer. It's got USBs that work, and it's got an HDMI output so that you can hook a monitor to it.
Okay.
All right. So why is that so cool?
I have no idea.
Why would we use a Raspberry Pi?
I know why I would, but I didn't get one.
Still bitter about that Pi.
Well,
I'll talk to Kathy and see if we can get you a Raspberry Pi.
It's too late.
Okay. Too late, baby. It's too late. Yeah. Anyway, why use a Raspberry Pi? For us, it's an inexpensive computer in the shop.
Right.
Right? You can see here, you can get a little case for it that encloses it, sticks a fan on it.
We've had people that have been asking what kind of computers to use with their E3s, E4s, KL7 series, and we've recommended all kinds of things, but we have been using Raspberry Pis now.
Yeah,
and they're working fantastic.
Yeah, we have. Now, it does not, do your V-carve or your other stuff. It's really just a dedicated computer to run your CNC.
Right.
But you could blow the dust off of it and keep going. It just goes.
Right.
So there's the question is how do I, what am I going to use? And we're still going to recommend Universal G-Code Sender.
Right.
Now, if you're one of those people that likes Linux and likes playing around with computer stuff, there's enough information out there online for you to be able to do this. If you're, I struggle. I'm not a person that likes Linux. I like it when it's working, but to get it to work, you got to type a lot. And, I like, clicking, right? I like pictures. But I went through and figured out how to get it to work.
And you made me learn Linux.
Yeah. And then I made you're welcome.
And I didn't get any Pi either. Okay,
no
go ahead.
But we do have an image file which will allow our customers to take a SD card and copy that image. It's not a picture, but it's all of the code and stuff to run it. So theoretically, if you put this image on an SD card, plug it into the Pi, your Pi will come up and you'll have a shortcut that says UGS platform. If you're interested in that, you'll have to email me because it's a big file, and I'll share a Google Drive for you so that you can download that if you're wanting to do that.
Just a thing for the sake of clarity, because you had touched on it, and that is, this isn't made so that it will run Vectric or some CAD/CAM software.
No.
All this is going to do is going to run your machine. You are going to bring a completed file that you've made on your computer, and then you're going to upload it into your Pi.
And how would you upload that file onto your Raspberry Pi?
You're just trying to embarrass me now.
No, that was a good lead-in.
Go ahead.
Right, so you have this Raspberry Pi, and there's what configuration should you use? The next question. I thought he was actually doing it on purpose. He's got lucky. So you can do it two different ways that I know of, and there's probably 5 different ways. Again, I'm not a Raspberry Pi expert.
Yeah.
But the way that we do it is we take a USB stick out there and put it in there, and then just copy them over to the desktop. We're old school. However, John, your son, who's retired Air Force, hoorah, right? He actually VPNs or uses his computer to network in using the IP address, and then he just copies the files over. As a matter of fact, the ones that he's working with, the 2 machines that he's doing testing on, he actually doesn't even have anything connected to him. The Raspberry Pi is just connected to the machine. He goes through the IP address and runs the machines.
Right.
and he'll have like a couple of them on his screen that he's running both of them at the same time.
Yeah.
So that's really, he's a show off, and he's pretty cool that way. So what we do in our shop that you had mentioned before is we run Raspberry Pis for everything. So here you can see if a KL7 controller, we run the KL755, right? And here's our wireless keyboard. So you just stick the USB in there and you have a keyboard. It's also got a mouse pad, HDMI monitor. Here's our files that we run for production. And then you can see the Raspberry Pi. So it's a fantastic solution for your shop if you want to bring a flash drive out, or if you're connected to a network, you can just copy them over via your network. So if you haven't thought about a Raspberry Pi and you're looking to get a new shop computer, check out. We use the Raspberry Pi 4. It seems to be the one that has the most oomph to make this thing run the smoothest.
Well, guys, if you got any questions, you can get a hold of us at shoptalk@bobcnc.com. Until next time, I'm going to go look for some pie.
You want to go get Kathy and see if we can get you some pie?
Yes.
Okay, let's go do that.
Okay.